20 by 10 Hipex shed on the left and the 20 by 10 Apex with one extra height on right side. Our security package offers additional security features including multi-flex slit windows that provide an extra level of security by preventing access and obscuring the shed's contents. The hinges and locks used on these sheds are longer, 18 inches, and bolted as well as screwed to ensure they cannot be unscrewed with ease. Raise the shed up from ground by an extra 2 inches with rot-resistant Tanalised bearers. Additional reinforced framework on all doors to improve their rigidity and strength. "40 kilograms heavy-duty cross-threaded green mineral felt. Much harder to tear than cheaper felts. All our floors are made from solid timbers, and extra underfloor runners can be added if particularly heavy-duty storage is required. Our heavy-duty shed flooring comes as standard on all our sheds. These heavy-duty sheds are made entirely of Tanalised timber, so you can rest assured that rot will never be a problem and the structural integrity of the sheds will remain for years to come. The Beast range are ideal for all uses, including using the shed as a workshop, garage, gym, heavy-duty storage, etc. We believe we offer the most secure and robust heavy-duty sheds for sale, and our free fitting and delivery means you won't have to lift a finger. Order now. Please contact us on 0167 5467 743 or visit our website beastsheds.co.uk.